जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया। जी हाँ दोस्तों, जब आंखों में अरमान लिया मंजिल को अपना मान लिया, फिर मुश्किल क्या और आसान क्या, जब ठान लिया तो ठान लिया।
Hello friends, I'm Mahi and today we are here for debate. Job versus business. They are in the favor of business and we are in the favor of job. So first of all, I want to tell about the benefits of job. Fixed salary and security. Those with jobs have better financial security than a business owner. That means the payment received by the employee regularly, monthly or weekly. Bonus from company. A bonus is the employee's reward for achieving the target. Bonus can also be in the form of promotion, and it is a very good facility that we can get from the company. Overtime balance. One of the most significant benefits overtime is that it can help you earn money to earn extra income, demonstrate dedication, meet urgent deadlines, and contribute to important projects. Work-life balance. Employees have more time to spend with their family. They are balanced and happy, and they are more productive, and they can take fever or sick leaves while working hours, and they are more likely to stay in their jobs. So according to my point of views, job is much better than business. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. I'm Kushi and today I'll give my view on the topic business. According to my point of view, business is better than job because business person don't have to argue and give reasons to anyone. So they are calm-minded and they are like a king of their own empire. Business person are more talented and skilled person. Because of their business, they have to travel around the world or the states. So they learn about their culture and skills which help them to increase their business in futures. Business persons earn more money, so they don't have to think twice before purchasing anything or donating money to the poor people. As they earn more money, their salary is not fixed, so the upcoming generation can live without any troubles if there is no breadwinner in their family. In India, there are very less people who are doing job. So, if any people will do startup, then there are lots of chances that they will succeed in a very short span of time. That's all my from side. Thank you.
Hello friends, good evening to all of you. Myself Dirnay Mato and today I am in favor of job. In job we get work from home facility. And it is very important for us because it's provide flexible schedule, which means you can take break at any moment and you don't need to worry about your uniform and dress. Second thing, you forget traffic and crowds. Friends, in this time, temperature is too much high and environment is too much polluted. So that time you don't need to involve in risky transportation. Third thing is retirement benefits. Friends, in this time we job get retirement benefits, like you get a big amount of money after retirement from job plus 10 years pension plan. Fourth thing is additional education. Friends, we are get additional education in job, like more education and more opportunities like ITI, Polytechnic, civil service and etc. In job we get additional education that's increase your job satisfaction level and also increase your critical thinking and communication skills, like you learn daily new things and you develop your skills. And fifth thing is disability insurance. Friends, in case you face any accident during work in job, that time you get recovery insurance from disability insurance, like they pay your all hospital bills and give you a long-term income source from disability insurance. Thank you friends, this is my point.
Good evening to all. This is Bina. I am in the favor of business. In business, a person is his own master. Having a successful business is almost like a dream come true. Is surely gives us more earnings and successes. So first point is that a businessman has freedom to work because no one your master. You are your master. And a businessman can earn more money than a job employee. And second point is that after settlement of a successful business can increase passive income sources, but job employee have active income sources. A successful businessman can hand over the business to his next generation. And third point is that businessman pays the income, the taxes, and help the nation progress during emergency to country. Many businessmen donate large amount for country. Fourth point is that it's very hard to get a government job in India due to cutthroat competition, bribery, corruption, reservation, and few vacancy, and many candidates. Many youngsters waste too lot of time in preparation. So business is much better than job. Thank you.
Friends, good evening to all. I am Khushbu. Today I have some points of favor of job. If a job person at the time, all people give respect, and jobs give you name, fame, and respect in society. And without education, you can't get job. And educations make you intelligent, confident, and a good person. If I'm talking about insurance, at the time only job gives you insurance, health insurance, life insurance, and many more facilities like free of cost treatment, cheap cross price medicines, home facilities, vehicle facilities, and many more. And if you die during the job time, at the time company will also give you a pension and one family member job. And if you retire, at that time company also give you pension. And vacations, only job gives you vacations, and like weekly holiday, festival holiday. And if you are doing very well, excellent in job, at the time company will also organize send you with your family any tour. And the business has no types of this type of facilities available, and businessmen have no time to spend their family. Thanks, it's all my point.
I am Rahul, my favor of business. Yes, friend, business is the most important in our country because they have no present businessman in your country. That times your country they can't develop. And the power of business, I am giving the more examples like that. Suppose that if you started any shop like that, clothes shop, and clothes shop they have more benefits in the, because if you invest like that 50,000 and 50,000 and one day you're earning like that 5 to 6,000. That's why your monthly income is like that 1 lakh to 150. And so that's why the business is there more money, or you are earning the more money. And my next point is suppose that if you have no any investing money, that times you are started the E2 business. E2 business, if you have no money, that times you can start the E2 business like that. Only for you if you have one Android mobiles and if you have a talent, so that's why you can start it the E2 business like that. Suppose that if you create the videos and if you upload the YouTube, and the power of YouTube is there lots of money if you are earning a lots of money, because if you have a talent, because I'm giving the one YouTubers like that, equal you 7 riders. These riders, your monthly income is like that 50 to 60 lakh rupees your monthly income. And he was all dreamer completed hours like that bike, sport cars. And I'm giving the examples like that the power of business. If suppose that you are businessman, then after you can complete our all dreams, because I'm seeing jobless people, they can't complete our dreams. They can't complete our bikes dreams, car dreams, only for these types of dreams are completed only for businessman people. Thank you.